Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to prepare spag. Here we have some salt, some seasoning and bay leaf. Next we have our tomato, we have some scotch bonnet pepper here, and we have our chicken, we have our sausage also, which we are going to use for this spag. We also have our tomato paste, we have our green pea, we have our onion, we have our garlic, we have a whole garlic here, we have our spicy, we have ginger, we have our green beans, we have our spag by the side, we have our green bell pepper, we have our carrots, we have our spring onion. All this for our delicious spaghetti jollof. But first of all, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, please. Don't forget to hit the like button and also turn on the notification button so you could get my next video as soon as I upload a new one. Thank you. Now we are going to cut our ginger into pieces, which I have done that behind the camera. Then we add it to our blender. Then add some onion. We are going to blend it together, and this is the mixture that we are going to add to our chicken. Now we add our sage leaf to the chicken, which I have cut behind the camera. We add our curry powder. Next is our oyster sauce. I decided to add more because I feel the first one was not enough. Next is our salt, then our seasoning powder, onion and ginger paste, and mix it together. Stir it very well and make sure it is well combined, and cover it and keep it aside. Let it rest for about 45 minutes. Now it is time for us to cut our green pepper. Remove all the seed and cut it into smaller sizes. Now we are done cutting the green pepper. Next is our sausage, and we are going to cut it into smaller sizes. And we are done cutting the sausage. And now we are going to add some vegetable oil to our fry pan to fry our chicken. Arrange it well and let it fry. Next we are going to add some water to a pot and bring it to boil, and we are going to use it to parboil our spaghetti in order to get rid of the starch. Now the water has boiled and we have added the spaghetti. You can add a little salt, but make sure you stir it so that it doesn't gum. Then cover it to boil and strain the water out. Now we are back to check on our meat, and it's frying gradually. You need to cover it so that it will simmer very well. Come back and check on it and make sure you give it a good stir so that every part of it can fry into a brownish color, just like the way you can see. We are done frying the chicken. Now we are going to take it off and fry the next thing that is online, which is our sausage. We'll fry the sausage. You don't need to go far. You keep stirring it and make sure every part of it is fried. Now our sausage is ready and we are taking it off the fire. Next is our carrot. Then we add our green beans. Next is our green pea. You stir it just for about 3 to 4 minutes. Add little seasoning, add little salt and stir. Now our veggies is ready and we are going to combine it with our sausage and chicken. Isn't this beautiful? You give it a try and let me know. To cook our spag, we add vegetable oil, add our garlic, onion, stir. Then we add our tomato paste. We add the fresh tomato and stir. Then the next thing we'll add some seasoning, some salt, and add some water, allow it to boil. Then when you discover that it's boiling, then you add your spaghetti, then allow it to steam for a few minutes. Now our spag is ready and we are mixing it up with our veggies. Please like. If you haven't subscribed, I will also want you to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be able to see my next video whenever I upload. Please see you in my next video.